How to turn off SafeSearch on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Google Chrome to the latest version. Then open up Google Chrome on a device. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now simply go to settings. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now under security, simply tap on safe browsing. Now select no protection and tap on turn off. Now simply go back and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.